Hey guys, my name is Chris and my company is called Unofficial, and we're providing next generation discovery and personalization for decentralized and open social. Most of the people here watching today are already on Farcaster or Lens. Open social is the fastest growing segment in consumer crypto. It's here and it's here to stay. But open social is waiting for its next breakout moment. We need to build better experiences on these social graphs. If we go back 3 decades to the early internet, we see the same problem. Google launched a search engine that provided a simple way for everyone to surf the web, uncovering an ocean of digital creativity and exploration. And we're at this same moment again. Instead of discovering websites, we have problems discovering our people and our interests in our communities. If you need to find your people and those with mutual interests, it's more than a search. For Open Social to reach 1 billion users, we need a discovery engine, so we built one. Before we dive into the applications of our discovery engine, we need to walk through how it works. First, we take the social graph provided by Open Social. We're starting with Farcaster, and we pair it with an interest graph that we generate from Web 2 and Web 3 data sources. We apply a combination of machine learning and data science strategies to consolidate that data and structure it in a way that it allows us to offer different discovery products, such as others that you may know, recommended for you, a specific FID or an Ethereum wallet, or more like this, most popular or trending in your interests. And this just isn't text-based content. Whatever you post to Open Social, we incorporate into our engine. But there is one extra step that we need to take with our data to push it to the next level: topic clustering. Say hello to Erica, my co-founder. These are some of the clusters that she loves. What makes up a cluster? It's all those wonderful conversations, topics, and interests that pull people together, and connections that keep coming back to the same place. We call these emergent communities. They're not just channels. And where are we at today with our engine? We've ingested just around 5.3 million casts, authored by over 161,000 Farcaster accounts across 10 different languages. From that, we've been able to identify 744 crypto topics, 2,477 non-crypto topics, around 450 clusters of distinct connection. But it isn't enough to build a discovery engine. We also need to build an interface to experience this data. So we're starting with a Farcaster client and an API so that others can build off the data that we're generating. Unlike other platforms, the Unofficial client is focused on new ways to discover people and communities. When you search for a New York City Marathon running with Unofficial, you should find exactly that. We service communities and people related to your search query, along with tokens and other media. Personalization is what you love today, but discovery is what you should love tomorrow. And these appear throughout the entire Unofficial client. You should be able to filter your feed by communities and find communities at the top of the client. Discover generative communities you didn't even know that you were a part of. We also want to empower creators and merchants in ways that other clients wouldn't have been able to by offering the content in the right context, such as wellness products within health, fitness, and wellness communities. We want a native experience for those things, like commerce, POAPs, or tokens. Discovery should be finding these connections and so much more. Using our client, you can discover new friends, events, relevant content or experiences, follow entire communities through the newsfeed. The Unofficial client is what we as a team see to be the first application of our discovery engine. But it isn't the only direction we're going to go with applications of our data. We want to provide content discovery, like music or genres of video and libraries of HBO and Netflix shows to talk about on the weekend, or an AI agent and multimodal search. With the release of our API, anyone can use Unofficial data to build more interesting open social applications. What if you could create a real-time group chat or start a live stream on trending topics? You would have to know the people associated to those topics. You can create personalized marketplaces for specific types of art or artists, or identify new social or political movements as soon as they emerge. Join us in building on top of our work and bring us to the next generation of open social. And you can get involved today by signing up for our client waitlist or requesting access to the API beta. And also, thank you, C Club. You guys have been amazing. This has been such a wonderful journey.